Okay. Okay, media friends, thank you so much. I am BM Bishop Mohan Deborma, President NLFT. So first of all, I would like to thank the government of India as we today celebrating the celebrating homecoming ceremony is followed by our accord on 4th September 2024. So I like to thank first of all government of India, especially the Home Ministry Amit ji, and team, especially Home Ministry team, and here Agartala team, and the Shillong Guwahati, everyone of their team. I would like to thanks to them first of all, and the state agency, everyone, and the BSF and other agencies, Tripura Police, TSR, everyone. So as we are very happy, as we celebrate here today, and we join already, and let's see. Uh, what to say now in front of our work is more work is there. Since we are coming back home, there is we have program, lots of program is there. We will go ahead with this, all those program. So here we have our central committee members. My right side is first of all, no, our vice president Jacob Rankol. My left is GS, and all others here is the organizing secretary. We have so many here, chief of army staff and other members, guidance, finance secretary, defense secretary are here. Actually, this is not nicely. I could not make, So, if you have any question, you can ask now.
Sir, how many people have laid down arms?
From we are here four groups. As you all know that we are four groups here. I can say only from my groups. So we have 380. We have for 380 only for the program purpose. There is a little less attendance. That only.
So from 380 from NLFT only.
Yes, NLFT my group. PM. Yes, right. So
So what, sir?